Now we're going to do 6-beat riff for examinations. 6-beat riff for examinations. It's the same as the examination 5-beat, but on the end we add another heel beat with the working foot that we started with. So if we start on the right foot, it will be with the right foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you get better, you'll see 1 and 2 a bit faster coming through, but for slow practice purpose, I've got to really slow it down so you can see the difference. So, but make sure it's a continual movement, not 1, 2. Your foot is brushing through as you then make the heel coming through. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do 7-beat riff for examinations. 7-beat riff for examination. This starts the same as the 5, but then we're going to do a heel beat with the left foot and a heel beat with the right foot. So starting with the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heel beat with the left foot, 6, heel beat with the right foot, 7. Let's do it with the other foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heel beat with the right foot this time, 6, and the left foot, 7. So that is 7-beat riff for examinations. The only riffs you show in the examination are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are no other riffs to be shown for exams. Don't forget, these are entirely different from my progressive variation riffs, which go from 1 to 12, and they just keep adding something new at the beginning. So let me know if you do any of these riffs or which ones you enjoy. So until next time, goodbye.